In a world where agriculture feeds nations, one channel is rising to educate, empower, and inspire a new generation of farmers. Welcome to Agbekayode Naj TV, your home for real, practical farming knowledge. From poultry to goats, catfish to snails, we bring you low-cost farming techniques, expert tips, and honest stories from the field. Whether you're just starting out or already running a farm, this is where you learn how to grow smarter, farm better, and earn more. We don't just teach farming. We promote agribusiness, youth empowerment, and wealth through the soil. So if you believe in knowledge, empowerment, and a better farming future, hit that subscribe button now. Like, share, and be part of the movement. This is Agbekayode Naj TV. Agriculture, empowerment, progress.
Hello, I'm Ayula Najimdeen. The heart of any good farm is healthy animals. Disease is a constant threat, but with knowledge and vigilance, we can protect our herds and flocks. In this video, we'll cover the most common livestock diseases, how to spot them, and most importantly, how to prevent them. Foot and mouth disease, or FMD, is a highly contagious viral disease that can spread rapidly among livestock populations, causing major concern for farmers and animal health experts worldwide. It affects a wide range of cloven-hoofed animals, including cattle, pigs, sheep, and goats, making it a threat to nearly every farm. The first signs to watch for are blisters in the mouth and between the toes, excessive drooling, reluctance to eat, and lameness. You might also notice a sudden drop in milk production, as well as animals isolating themselves or appearing unusually tired and weak. Vaccination is your best defense. Work closely with your veterinarian to develop a vaccination plan and keep your herd protected from outbreaks. Biosecurity is just as important. Always quarantine new animals, thoroughly disinfect equipment, and limit visitors to your farm to reduce the risk of introducing the virus. Never share equipment or tools with neighboring farms, as this can easily spread FMD between herds. These steps may seem small, but together they create powerful barriers that help keep your animals safe from foot and mouth disease. If you spot any symptoms, act quickly. Contact your veterinarian immediately. Early action is crucial and can make all the difference in saving your herd and protecting your livelihood. Mastitis is a painful and costly udder infection that strikes fear into the heart of every dairy farmer. It not only causes discomfort and suffering for the cows, but also brings significant financial losses to the farm. This disease slashes milk yield dramatically, sometimes cutting production in half, and can even cause permanent damage to the udder tissue, making recovery difficult or impossible for affected cows. Clinical mastitis is easy to spot. Look for swollen, hot udders, redness, and milk that appears abnormal, often with clots or a watery consistency. These visible signs are a clear warning that immediate action is needed. But subclinical mastitis is much more insidious. It hides beneath the surface, showing no outward symptoms, yet it quietly damages the udder and reduces milk quality and yield just as much as the clinical form. Cleanliness is your best weapon. Keep the milking area spotless, disinfect equipment regularly, and make sure all surfaces are free from dirt and bacteria. Always clean and dry udders thoroughly before every milking session. This simple habit can prevent bacteria from entering the teat canal and causing infection. Use both pre- and post-milking teat dips to kill harmful bacteria on the skin and reduce the risk of new infections spreading from cow to cow. These dips form a protective barrier around the teat canal, which is the main entry point for mastitis-causing germs. Regularly check milk for any abnormalities, such as changes in color, consistency, or the presence of clots, which can be early signs of infection. Use diagnostic tests like the California mastitis test to catch hidden infections before they become severe and spread to other cows in the herd. Early detection and strict hygiene are the keys to keeping mastitis at bay. A clean environment reduces the risk of outbreaks and keeps your cows healthy and productive. Make routine checks and careful record-keeping part of your daily routine. Vigilance and good management are your best defense against this dairy farmer's nightmare. Newcastle disease is a deadly viral threat to poultry, attacking the respiratory, nervous, and digestive systems. Watch for gasping, twisted necks, paralysis, and sudden drops in egg production. Isolate sick birds immediately. Vaccination is essential. Follow your area's recommended schedule. Biosecurity matters. Keep wild birds out, use dedicated footwear, and always quarantine new birds. Don't share equipment with other poultry owners. These steps shield your flock from disaster. Brucellosis is a highly contagious bacterial disease that poses a serious threat to livestock, including cattle, goats, sheep, and pigs. It can cause devastating consequences such as abortions, infertility, and long-term reproductive issues in these animals. And what's more, it's a zoonotic disease, which means it can also infect humans, putting farmers, veterinarians, and anyone working with animals at risk. Infected animals may appear perfectly healthy, showing no obvious signs of illness, yet they can still silently spread the bacteria to other animals and people. People can become seriously ill from drinking unpasteurized milk, eating contaminated dairy products, or coming into contact with birthing fluids and tissues during animal births. To reduce the risk, always wear gloves and protective clothing when assisting with animal births, and practice strict hygiene by washing hands and disinfecting equipment after any contact with livestock. Unfortunately, there's no cure for brucellosis. Control depends on regular blood testing, early detection, and removing infected animals from the herd to prevent further spread. Making these tough decisions is never easy, but it's absolutely necessary to protect the health of your herd, your livelihood, and the safety of your family and community. Prevention is the only way to stop brucellosis. Maintain strict biosecurity, keep facilities clean, and stay vigilant to keep your animals and loved ones safe. Parasites, internal worms, and external pests like ticks and lice steal nutrients, spread disease, and weaken your animals. Signs include poor growth, rough coats, diarrhea, and anemia. Strategic deworming based on fecal tests prevents resistance and keeps worms in check. Rotate pastures to break parasite life cycles. For external parasites, use approved treatments and keep living areas clean. Reduce fly breeding sites and check animals regularly. Consistent management keeps parasites under control. Prevention is always better than cure. Biosecurity, vaccination, and cleanliness are your best tools. Build a strong relationship with your veterinarian for regular checkups and expert advice. Early action saves animals and money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips on keeping your animals healthy. Stay vigilant and take good care of your animals.
You've just been part of something meaningful on Agbekayode Naj TV. If you believe in knowledge, empowerment, and progress, especially for our farms and our future, then this is your home. Don't just watch, join the movement. Like this video, share with someone who needs it, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss what's next. Together, let's grow our minds, our land, and our legacy.